Hello my beautiful people, it's another year again. So I want to talk about the 52-week challenge. Yes, so it's about saving for 52 weeks, then at the end of the day and at the end of the year you have a good lump sum. Yeah, so basically it's you save, for example, you save 100 shillings every week. So this being the first week of the year, you basically, the first week you put aside 100 shillings, the second week 200, the third week 300, evo. So by the 52nd week you'll basically be having 137,800. Yeah, but usiachie hapo, you know, ukifikisha, for example, I have partnered with Britam, right? So ukifika 1,000 you can be able to start investing that money in the money market fund. Pesa isilale, msisahau pesa ifai kulala, pesa inafai kutengenezea pesa ingine. Yeah, that's how you are able to achieve financial freedom. So basically ikifika that point, put that money aside so that by the time hata tunaongea about your money being 137,800, then you will have more than that. So you'll, of course, that means you'll be having more than 150,000 by the end of the year. Yeah, na hiyo si pesa mbaya. So if you're able to do more than that, maybe do start with 1,000 every week, then you add the other week 2,000. It's up to you. We mwenyewe ndo unajua goals zako. Guys, put money aside, invest this money, acheni kuungoja sana. Na kama you feel so confident in starting with lump sums, don't isifike katikati ya mwaka then unaacha. Start with that kidogo, yeah, so that by the end of the year at least you have something in your name. Anza kidogo, grow pole pole, step by step, and don't say at utaanza next month ama next year ama no. And that's why January unaanza na hii pesa kidogo, because we all understand January kuna responsibilities mingi. So anza tu hata na hiyo 100 ama uanze na 200, then uende ukiongeza to 400 and all that, pole pole tu. Okay, sawa. I hope you have learned, and I hope utaanza, usishinde ukipostpone. Mwaka isiko ya kupostpone. Sawa, and I will be seeing you next time. Bye.